All right, in this video, we're going to do a fancy barrel roll. So it's going to be kind of similar to the last one. What I want to do is, of course, start a brand new storyboard. I want to start from the end of the previous one, of course. Then I'm going to attempt to select all the pieces. But first, I want to kind of collapse the rotor assembly. I don't want to select the individual pieces, just the assembly itself. So let me try to select everything except the helipad base. And then we're going to tweak components. We're going to rotate everything about maybe a point in the front somewhere. So maybe, what can we do? Trying to find something. Maybe there. Let's try that one. And then let's rotate it. Let's go this way. All the way around 360. Also, I've made it for 10 seconds. And then, oh, I got a text message. I wonder if it's Rihanna calling me. Dang, Rihanna wants to get me bad. Sorry about that. Let me turn the volume down. I'm popular, what can I say? Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, now we're gonna make the rotors spin around. So now I'm going to kind of move my slider out of the way. I'm going to open up my rotor assembly to where I can get the individual parts. And then I'm going to select the individual pieces of this first one, tweak it. I'm going to rotate, locate, you all know the drill. I'm gonna hit this one here. We're gonna make this one spin this way. Let's do negative 7200. And then hit OK. This thing really annoys me, but it is what it is. Let's make sure that we got the right angle, and we do. So we'll do that. We'll go to the next one. I'm going to select the number 2. So select each individual piece, tweak it, rotate. Let me get somewhere there. This one wants to go this way. Do that one. Then let's move over to number 3. 1, 2, 3. Tweak it. This one we're gonna go that way. Negative 7200. And then the last one. Okay, now before I do this, I want to I'm going to slide all these underneath each other. I know they're still not in the right place. As of yet, you need to get over right where that little blue dashed line is. I know they're lined up. I'm going to select all these and get lazy. I'll just make sure that we're at 7200. So I'm just going to assume that they're all the correct one. Okay. Okay, we're going to slide this over. I think that'll get it. So let's give it a shot. Let's play this thing. and see what we have. Let me move this down. Cross your fingers that this works. Oh yeah, looks good. We're awesome. And there we go. There we go. Yes. That's what's up. All right, so there's our barrel roll. So that's the way to do it. All right, that's the end of the video. Click and like and all that good stuff. Tell your friends, you know, pass the word around. All right, I'll see y'all later.